What's up, people? This is Demo Aurelius. This is the second start of this stupid ass thing. It didn't work. I found some of my tools that I packed in one of my boxes when I was shipping everything. I forgot about this. I thought I had it and I didn't know where it was. Tightened the hell out of it at the very end. Thinking about pulling this back loose, pull it all the way back towards the tip, just the tip, and get back at it and see if that'll fix it. But like I said, I just pulled this off. Well, just put it back on, and it didn't do anything. It just kept with the pulsation. So 3, 2, 1. There you go. So I don't know what to do about it. I'm a bit tired of it. Tighten the hell out of these. It's still doing the same thing. Tighten the hell out of this. It's still doing the same thing. So I really don't know. I gotta hit up Fanatec because he bought this in November of 23. He sent it back February, I believe, and they sent it back. It looked like the original collar was tightened a little bit. And he said he turned it on, played it like twice, turned it off, turned it back on, made sure it was still working, and then boxed it because he had his Fanatec, his Logitech stuff, his G, the 11 Newton meters. While he was waiting for this, he paid over $1,300 because, I've got the receipts. I mean, honestly, I've got the receipts. So, we tried to put this over into my name to get this RMA'd, and I gotta find out what they want to do because this shit makes absolutely no sense. You put shits in a box, you send it back to customers, and then when they get it, it works for 2-3 times and it shuts back off and doesn't work anymore. I mean, $800+ for this. And then he bought the pedals brand new. He bought the shifter brand new. So, after paying $1,300 plus and all this shit dies, and he had to pay another $1,300 plus for his Logitech shit, and he's content and he had no problems with his Logitech shit. Only problem he had was when he took off his clutch pedal because he was trying to figure out how to shift it over so he had equal spacing for his, like I said, he's a GT driver. I don't do race cars. I need 3 pedals. And that's why the pedals for that are not on this rig. Because if I would have had the pedals for that, there's no way I would have took that. And if I did take it, it was just for a review. Because I don't like to take things or get things given to me usually. I like to buy them myself. But, couldn't pass this up. So I went to my receipt and found out that because they keep putting all these fucking deals and stupid shit on Best Buy, I ended up picking up the wrong PlayStation 5. So I'm not going with the digital. I wanted the disc version, and I accidentally picked the one with the fucking extra controller, a black controller. And it's like, I wouldn't want a black controller because all my controllers usually are black, well, blue or red. I mean, not red. I don't use red controllers. White usually because where is it? Damn, PlayStation 3 controller. Yes, my room is. It's all these wires and stuff. My black one died. I had got a white one. So I have an Infinity for white and blue. Don't call it the colors of my neighborhood that I grew up in, but still, white and blue are 2 classic colors. Blue is my favorite color. White, they just look clean most of the time. But, I own a red car. It was great for the longest. But anyhow, the Space gray on my MacBook Pro. But that right there is very disappointing. Sad. It sucks that you go out and spend all this money on this equipment and manufacturers let shit go out, and when shit fucks up, then well, we can't find anything or we won't do anything about it because it's now out of warranty. Well, it took me about fucking 4 months to get this shit in and out. And my life has been extremely busy, or people's lives have been extremely busy where they don't get to enjoy it every single day. Unlike my ass at the moment. And hopefully that changes very, very soon. Because if this good news happens, I'll be quite okay. Ooh, you look like you're a little bit off. So I'm going to try shifting it just in case that's the issue. If it is the issue, then I will install it and see what it does. So I'm going to pause here and I might show it again later. Okay, this is as tight as I can get this bastard. So it's lined up right where it needs to be. I got it as fucking tight as I possibly can. But it looks like it might still have a little fucking gap in there. As much as this fucking shit I should. Well, it still won't stay still, will it? Nope, 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 nope. And we slide you in. And we can pull you in a little bit. We turn that on. And you calibrate. Bing, bang. You're good. Come on. We're going to change you to purple. And we go click. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000. Yep. Nope. It's not happening, people. So, 7-minute video and counting. 7.5 if you're going at 45 seconds as soon as I finish talking now. And it still is not kosher. So we're going to call this done. So I might try to tighten this again. I might not. I might pull that shit off. Put the stock one back on and tighten the fuck out of it and see if I can get it to close anymore. And if it still does it, I'll be done. PlayStation definitely will go back because I don't want a black controller on a PlayStation 5 that's a digital edition. And if this is not working, then that's $500 extra that I don't need out because of this. Said it was $1,000 up, but that was $500 that came. And the PlayStation was basically $500. 470 plus. So tax on the 542 or 546 actually, and then the 470 that makes it a little bit over $1,000. Not like it's I'm bragging. No, this was paid for due to my fucking GT100 T300 being destroyed. This was in the plans a long time ago, and my brother just so happened to buy it and it stopped working for him. He had another will, and he thought, hey, maybe I'll just give it to you instead of me buying you a PlayStation. You get this, and definitely if it works, because it was working for me. And if you can get on, then you buy you a PlayStation, and you'll probably just end up getting a PlayStation card, and you get online, and you could play online with me, and you could give me tippers or tips pointers, or you can help me with this, that, and the other, and we can. That's basically how it was, because he wanted to do a brothers race team. He was talking about that like 2000 before this shit came out. So It's 2021, I think, 2021-ish. With that being said, not working. This still is king. I gotta change the pedals, which I really don't want to do, but I want to hop on Gran Turismo 7, which I really kind of don't, because I dropped on last night and I was just like looking at it. And there's really no new cars except for the cars that I do want, and those are the McLaren F1. They have 3 of them. I didn't know it was 3 of them. I knew it was the race car, the white one, but I didn't know that was a 97, and then the black one is the 95, the one I was just like in awe about. And then they have it in tan as a street car. So yeah, $60 million worth of credits for 3 fucking cars that I wouldn't mind, and I've only got like 10 to 12 million credits because I keep buying cars and stop driving. I would have had a shit ton more if I wouldn't have if I would have brought my PlayStation out here and would have just been playing with the controller. But since I don't play with controller and I play with wheel, that shit wasn't going to happen. So only thing it would have been is me building liveries and buying parts and setting up cars. But with the new physics, that's just not even, I don't know. But with that, I'm going to end this here. I'm going to finish figuring out what I'm going to do with all these wires, because I want to shift everything over. I pulled a lot of stuff out of my closet. Got a new thing on my bed and got me some new sheets, so I'm happy. I did my laundry and everything is partially together except for all of this stuff. My electronics is just the thing that's in the sim rig is the main thing, and everything over there is electronics and sim rig shit. So tools, and of course my Bible's over there, but hey, that's just that. So with that being said, and it's fucking going on 13 minutes and nothing new except for this is still acting a damn fool, and with the proper tools putting it on, it still don't want to do nothing. So it's got to be something even worse. Like I said, he bought this November 19th, 2023. And by the time he got it, he drove it for, I think, like a month or so. And all of a sudden it stopped working and sent it back to him. And within February, it still didn't work. And here it is now, back in another December, and we're out of warranty. So we're going to figure out how much it's going to cost to fix it, and if it's going to be even feasible for me to keep it to get it fixed. And that means that would have to go, and I'd have to either get rid of the PlayStation or be like, look, you can keep that damn controller, just give me the fucking PlayStation. I don't need other shit with it. I don't even play, what is that, Fortnite? I'm not a shooter game unless we're talking about Fallout. So, running around killing other people in video games is kind of fun and all, but you get tired of playing with fucking 6-year-olds, 5-year-olds that want to start talking shit and then cuss you out and talking about fuck your mom and drop fucking racial slurs. And it's like, you know what? Your mom had my balls in her mouth down the deep of a crevice of her throat and have them crying like little fucking, it's like, that's what you get for fucking with grown folks. And then you get in trouble because, you're using profanity or unsavory language around children. Why the fuck are they on an adult situation? You need to teach your kids some manners, because next motherfucker to drop the N-bomb at me and I'm online. I'm talking all kind of shit. And if they parents or somebody who's part of the government, be like, you know what your child said? They got me triggered to say this. So fuck them and you for not fucking taking care of fucking business. You letting your kids run fucking wild on the internet. You better be happy nobody pops up with your fucking IP address and send a fucking SWAT to your house because of your goddamn child doing stupid shit. You see it on the fucking internet all the time. Motherfuckers run up over here. All I got is weed. My cannabis, that's my medicine. And guess what? We're in California, so fortunately, it's state legal here, but still not federal legal. And I ain't got nothing except for tools like hammers and shovels to in this fucking desert. And hey, come over here fucking around, you'll find out. And Gen Xers, we don't play that stupid shit. We don't want no problems. You get your emotions under wraps. I'm the fucking INFP, the one that's supposed to be unemotional. So, going on 16 minutes is hot as fuck, and I'm tired, and I'm extremely disappointed, and I want to drive. And I didn't want to drive on that because it pissed me off the other night. And that right there just... I want to fix it, and I can't fix it, and I'm used to fixing things. So, brush your teeth, wash your hands, take a shower, put on some deodorant, get out them people's face, be nicer to people. Don't run up on nobody because, some shit can happen to you that you ain't expecting. Watch your surroundings. Ladies, somebody walks up and says, excuse me, miss. Don't think they're always trying to hit on you because you might have dropped something, or you might actually getting ready to get bit by a dog. Excuse me, miss. I've got a... Oh, shit! You're getting mauled by a pit bull. I was trying to tell you. Help! Fuck you. I'm not helping for shit. You should have hopped on top of the car. I was trying to tell you. That motherfucker got a look in his eye. Or goddamn chihuahua. I'm not fucking with you. You handle a little ankle biter. But y'all have a good day, good night. I'm tired. It's hot. And we're going to kill bugs and sim race. So, or at least time trial, canyon run, because I don't run online with people. So, you all be safe, be good, and try not to be belligerent. 1.